it's Musha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to lay your hair, your 4C, 4B, whatever type of curl you have, laid to the gods. If somebody told you that you couldn't lay your 4C hair, they lied to you, sis. Because I'm about to share with you how I achieved this look, and if you're interested, then keep on watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like to see more videos from me, subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell so that you won't miss out on any videos that I upload on this channel. Without talking too much, let's get into the video. Hello guys, so I am starting off on freshly washed hair, and I applied some jojoba oil. My hair was actually still wet, and then I was using the Sheer Moisture leave-in conditioner and the Eco Styler gel argan oil version. And then what I was doing here was just creating low ponytail just to create the base. And then yeah, I add like some gel around it, and then I put a bobby pin onto it. And then the next thing here to do is to grab a few pieces of hair and then also lay them next to the ponytail. Yeah, so I just add a bit more gel. I was doing this for every section, so just bit by bit keep on adding gel, and then yeah, just add the rest of the hair back to the ponytail. So yeah, it's gonna be like a repetitive thing where you take off the bobby pin, and then you know, put it back on. Here I was just using a brush again just to brush the hair a little bit. Don't try and brush things all the way through because you will rip your hair out. So again, I continue to separate the hair and then just continue doing what I was doing, adding more gel. I do apologize for this angle here. My camera moved and I wasn't aware of this situation, but I'm still in frame and you guys can still see me, so I guess that's good. Okay, but anyway, continuing on with the same thing, I'm adding more and more gel and more hair to the ponytail, and you just keep doing this until you get to the front. And yeah, so I'm just adding more gel, and if your hair is wet, it means you won't use too much gel because your hair is already wet. But if your hair is dry, you're probably going to use a lot of gel, so I'd recommend doing this on wet hair. So yeah, continuing on, re-adding. So I made a middle part. I wanted my hair to come out as a middle part, and then I just take that hair around my side. Obviously I don't have edges, but your girl was going to create some edges here. But yeah, so I just put it like that. As you can see, it's self-explanatory. You can see what's going on. It's really easy. If you really want that laid look, this is what you need to do. But if you're in a hurry, then you just put it on top of your hair and bob your uncle. But this is the work you need to do if you want to lay your edges to the gods as promised. Okay, I'll let you watch for a bit and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. Okay, so once that's done, I just make sure everything is laid properly by using my diamond brush and just brushing through any little bits of hair that are raised up and just making sure my edges are correct. And then we grab my satin scarf and then I wrap that around, and you can actually go to bed with this and just yeah, let it dry overnight. But on this day, what I did was I sat under a hooded dryer, and this is actually the second time I was doing this video, you guys, because the first time around I was blurred, and the second time around I was in a weird angle. But yeah, we got there in the end. So this is after about an hour of drying this hair. And be careful when you're removing this, because mine got stuck. Mine was stuck, and I had to figure out a way of how I was going to take this off, you guys. I was so scared. I thought, oh my god, I'm just going to mess everything up all over again. But glory to God, we got there in the end. You'll see. Don't panic yet. Don't panic. We got there. I managed to take it off. And if you have any hairs that lifting up, just use a bit more Eco Styler gel and apply it on there. And I decided to put on my earrings. I don't know why I was doing this part first, but yeah, so my earrings and then my hairpiece, the one that completes the look. Okay, I love this ponytail. I got it from Amazon, and I will link everything in the description box. Yeah, and also let me know in the comment section below if you're going to try this look. And that is all really from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, until next time, love you guys. Bye.